Gold and silver stayed bullish for the day yesterday. We have seen it is struggling to break beyond 2385 levels. It tried to break but again reversed, and likewise is silver. We have seen it struggling at 3120. Now these are the key resistance levels as we have discussed in our updates since last couple of days. So now what to expect today? How to profit trading gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. Today is a big day. The inflation data coming in from US will decide the direction for gold and silver. You have to be trading with care. You have to be strictly trading with a stop loss and a trading stop loss. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thus, also join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And friends, do like, share, and comment. It is always a great motivation for me to deliver consistently to the best of my abilities. Let's first, if you look at the hourly charts of gold, if you see this, I have mentioned yesterday again that see the 4 attempts for gold to break below 2350, failing to break, it is reversed. It was trading bearish, it is bounced back, and again trading bullish as of now. And if you look at it, is delivering higher lows, higher highs. Now highs on the hourly charts are now situated at around 2391, 2398, or rather I will say 2400 levels. Possibly it can try to create higher highs, but it has to break beyond the critical resistance levels, because what is happening, if you just connect the dots here, you will find that now again it needs to break beyond the critical resistance at 2384.85, which is going to play an important role today. What has happened on the hourly charts? The moving averages have crossed over, prices have come to take the support from the moving average and now rising. So possibly it can try to come towards 2384.85 once. Stochastic overbought. MACD is willing to cross over for a buy on the hourly charts. See the rise, retracement, and again reversing. So it can lead to the top here. RSI is rising as well. Good sign for the bulls. On the similar observation on the 2-hour charts, prices have come to take the support from the 20 period, and since then we have seen this rise. Also look at these 4 candles here. See, very important here that these candles were shying away from 2378 levels, and now the price is trading about 2378. It suggests that there could be little bullishness from here where 84.85 can get achieved. The stochastic is rising. The MACD is also divergent. The MACD is bullish, looking upwards. RSI is rising. Good sign for the bulls. On the 3, similar observation. Now see, whenever you see this support levels, now 2370 levels are going to remain important for the day. 2370, 2372 is the zone where it is going to find maximum support. And if you see gold staying below 2370, chances for a little drop will exist. But then also you should notice that first support levels at 2364, 62 levels, and then 2357, 54, very strong support, and then 2350. So these are the levels it needs to break in order to turn bearish. Yes, it could reverse. These are markets, and the movements are always there to change the direction. A negative data can hit the sentiments sharply where a stronger crash can be seen, but right now it is looking upwards, staying bullish. Stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking upwards. RSI is also staying bullish. Coming to 4, on the 4-hour charts, also similar observation here with the support at 2370. Prices are rising here. First bullish candle, second in making. We have to just wait for it to break beyond yesterday's high. See, lower highs are seen as of now. Again, 2385 levels are going to play a major role today, beyond which we can look forward to 2391. And if it breaks beyond 2391, consider this as reversal. We can look forward to 9698, or in fact 2404 and higher levels. Stochastic has dropped. MACD, look at MACD crossing over here for the buys. First greener candle, it can deliver series of greener candles. RSI rising. Coming to now, before we look into daily charts, if you also want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over email for your queries related to the services here. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts here. See, most important here is the support it has seen here at 2350 and at 2360. This zone is critical for gold on the downside. Any drop below 23, and I have mentioned earlier as well, any drop below 2344 for the week should lead towards 2320 and lower levels. Right now we can see that it is shied away from this zone. It is trying to bounce back, but the next observation here is look at the lower highs here. Thus again 2385 levels are going to play major role, as we have discussed, we have seen on the charts. So once gold stays above 2384.85, we can say that we can look forward to 2390.91, and once it stays above 2391, you can say it is turned bullish. We can look forward to 2398, 2406, and in fact 2418 levels. In fact, beyond that is also possible. On the downside, a selling entry now is at 23.7, where we can expect it to move towards 2364 62 levels, and below 2364.62 you can expect it to move towards 2357.54 and then 2350. Any drop below 2350 should increase the bearishness here. 2344, below 2344 it is going to trade extremely bearish towards 2332.36 and then 2320 levels. Below that is also possible. If it breaks 2344, the bearishness is going to increase. And on the upside now, 2384.85 we have mentioned is going to remain good resistance. You can buy here at 2382 as well, but again the resistances are going to be very nearby at around 85, 84, 86 zone, and then towards 91, 92 zone. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. On the early chart, see moving averages started to cross over, trading with divergence, staying bullish. Higher lows are seen, flat top is seen. We have to wait for it to break beyond 3120. Critical resistance here at 3120 is seen. Once prices stays above 3120, we can look forward to 3140.50, and at any point of time, silver is staying above 3140.50, you can stay bullish. We will look forward to 3180 and in fact $32 levels. Possibilities there. Stochastic overbought. MACD, look at MACD. See, it has stayed at bottom, crossed over now, so it can try to bounce back strongly. RSI rising, good sign for the bulls. On the two, similar is the observation on the 2 hour charts. Now look on the downside, 3080, 3070 zone is critical here. Yes, if you see silver staying below 3080, you can take a selling entry, but connect this higher lows which are seen there. So once it draws below 3060, then we should treat this as bearish, and below 3040 is where the crash is expected. Else it is still not bearish, it is turning bullish, it is looking upwards. Is any move beyond 3120 is a sign of reversal and a sign of bullishness. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over here, good sign for the bulls. RSI rising, again good sign for the bulls. On the 3 hour charts, similar observation. See how beautifully the support is seen from the 20 period moving average. We have to wait for it to break beyond 3120 for a confirmation of rise. The stochastic rising, good sign for the bulls. MACD is trading bearish. We can wait for it to converge crossover. Right now it is still trading in the sell side. RSI is rising, showing little strength here. And on the 4, similar observation on the 4 hour chart. See the 20 period moving average proving out to be a greater hurdle for silver to break below, and thus I recommend you to sell at 3080, but then 3060, 3040 levels are going to hold an important role today in this movement. And once silver breaks below 3040, then you should treat this as bearish. Else what is looking right now here is, see, rise retracement towards 20 period, rise retracement towards 20 period, taking the support from the 20 period, prices might try to bounce back. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here. Remember, it is just converging, it is not yet crossed over, it is still staying bearish. RSI is rising. So as long as 3120, and in fact let me include 3140.50 as well, as long as 3140.50 levels are not taken, chances of a reversal will be very, very high in silver. Coming to daily, now look at daily charts. See charts, how beautifully it speaks. Look at the lows, beautifully connected here, and that is why I said a selling entry below 3080 can be taken. However, 3060 and 3040 are the two levels it needs to take, because once it draws below 3040, we can look forward to a correction, good correction here, which can take the prices below 30 and in fact 2960 levels. Possibility is there that it can reverse. But if you look at the movement in silver for last few days, rise, it has traded in this bearish flag formation and now giving a breakout looking upwards. So in my observation, if you see silver staying beyond 3120 and then 3140.50, you can say that the bulls are back in action and a stronger rise can be seen. Now see the candle here, couple of retracement, indecision, then a moderate greener candle, and now it is looking forward to a breakout. So let's see if it does continue with it. Stochastic dropping, MACD, if you look at it, is trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI is also rising. So looking at this, very simple, you can buy here at 3120, expect 3140.50, and once it trades beyond 3140 and 50, you can look forward to 3180, $32. Beyond 32, it is not going to come back. On the downside, a selling entry at 3080 and below 3080 still it has got its support intact at 3060, 3040, and only if silver trades below 3040, you should treat this for a reversal. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the mentorship batch, join the signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon or join the free Telegram channel. Have a happy, profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Thank you.